to B6 and B7. Oops, we got an NA for Mr. Simpson and Ms Davidson. Why? Why do you get an NA on a VLOOKUP formula? There are a couple of reasons you may get an NA returned with the VLOOKUP formula. Let's look at the first example and select cell B6. Here, when we hover on the comment, it says that it didn't find Matt Simpson. So let's look at the customer sheet, and there he is on row 6. Let's go back to our formula and take a look. Here, you will see the range starts on row 7 and ends on 13. Let's look at the formula above. The range above is correct starting in row 6 and ending on row 12. To fix this, we need to add strings or $signs to the range to activate absolute cell referencing in the formula. So in cell B5, add strings in front of the A and the 6 and the I and 12. And now copy the formula to B6 and B7. So that fixed Mr. Simpson, but Ms Davidson is still not correct. Why? Let's review the formula. The formula is correct, so what is the issue? Let's look at the customer sheet again. Her name is Tierna, T-I-E-R-N-A, Davidson. Now let's look at the birthday sheet. Here's the issue. Tierna is misspelled without the I. Let's correct her name and see what happens. Add the I to cell A7, and her birthday of April 5, 1970 is the correct result. To learn more about Google Sheets, watch this video next.